Hey everyone, today I'm going to show a little demo of how to make an API request. Specifically, I want to pull data from the United States Geological Survey to show the recent earthquake and display it using Leaflet, which is a JavaScript library for interactive maps. So let's start with our function, load the earthquakes. And let's actually make a request using fetch and save it to response. Fetch actually sends a GET request to the API, but the request can take some time. So fetch gives us a promise rather than the finished response straight away. We can use await to wait for the request to finish before continuing. Since we are using the keyword await, we also need to mark it as async as a function. Now that we have the HTTP response, we actually need the actual data. And to do this, we can use .json, which converts the response body into JavaScript data that we could manipulate. Now we can actually console.log this data, and we actually get a object. And if you can actually see here, we actually get the coordinates of the longitude, latitude, and we can loop through the results and pass those coordinates into Leaflet to show on our map. And here we go. We've taken real data from an external API, and instead of just looking at the raw JSON data, we've turned it into something visual and useful for our web page. Thank you.